place called Hamburger Dan's, I heard that old jukebox playing a song about a truck driving man. So pour me another cup of coffee, for it is the best in the land. I'll put a quarter in the jukebox and play the truck driving man. The waitress just poured me some coffee. I thanked her and called her back again. I said that old song, it sure does fit me, 'cause I'm a truck driving man. So pour me another cup of coffee, for it is the best in the land. I'll put a quarter in the jukebox and play the truck driving man. Then like a flash I was gone. Got them old truck wheels a rolling. I'm on my way to San Antonio. So pour me another cup of coffee, for it is the best in the land. I'll put a quarter in the